Yo, what's up? This your man John with John's Restoration.
Straighten it up.
I'm used to it now from that trailer right there. The people across the street?
Yeah.
Oh, mufflers already?
Yeah, that's why we sounded like that.
What's going on, buddy?
Not much, man.
What we got going on today?
Got the 71 going on. That's about it.
Who are you?
King from Local Legends. All day.
There you go. Got you on YouTube here. You want to introduce yourself and your vehicle and what we got going on?
Hey, my name is Ben. This is my 1971 Karmann Ghia. It's going to get Arctic Silver, body op restoration. See how it turns out.
What made you come to John Restoration?
King said you guys were the best around.
There you
King
go.
never lies, so, you know.
There you go.
You know, it's not like this anyway.
All right. You feel pretty confident? Okay. There you go. We got you. This one we're going to take the body off the frame.
What's that?
Customer going to take the frame back with him and do some work to it. John's Restoration. Y'all stay tuned for the outcome. 757-713-2277.